Hi everyone. Did you know your iPhone might be sharing data you don't need with Apple? In this video, I will show you how to stop unnecessary data sharing and protect your privacy step by step. Step 1. Open iPhone settings. First, open the setting apps on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to privacy. Scroll down and tap privacy. Here you will find all settings for location, analytics and data sharing. Step 3. Limit analytics and data sharing. Tap analytics and improvements. Turn off share iPhone and watch analytics and improve Siri and dictation to stop sending usage data to Apple. Step 4. Disable location based suggestion. Go to settings, privacy, location, services, system services. Turn off location-based Apple ads, suggestion and other unnecessary services. Step 5. Restrict app tracking. Go back to privacy, tracking and turn off allow app to request to track. This stop apps from tracking your activity across other apps and websites. Step 6. Review app permissions. Check each app permission in privacy. App permissions. Turn off access to things app don't need, like your microphone, camera or location. Important tips. Keep your iOS updated. Apple adds new privacy features regularly. Use strong passwords and enable screen time restriction for extra control. Review your privacy setting regularly to stay in control of your data. And that's it. Following these steps will help stop your iPhone from sending unnecessary data and boost your privacy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for each easy iPhone tips.